Hi, this is Jules from Digital Rag here, and this is a follow-up to the MidiQuest video that was made just the other week. And I'm just going to have a look in particular at the SE70 and highlight a couple of things that are going to help you get the most out of MidiQuest with the SE70 in particular, and a bit more depth, I guess, on this this video. So I've got a screen sharing program, and I also have a camera on the SE70, and we're going to show you these in real time together. And first of all, we're going to start by doing a backup. Now I have two SE70s here, so we're going to do a backup on this number one. As you can see here, I've already backed up my the first one. And I want to talk in particular about the names on this video. But let's go here. We're going to be monitoring the MIDI input. Now, this is one of the things I've noted during the backing up of my secondary SE70 is that the MIDI messages do actually include the names of the patches. You can see rotary there. If we scroll down a bit more, you can see dark hall there, cathedral there, and so on. But in some situations, it doesn't capture all of the message. Well, we'll have a quick look at that in a moment. But let's grab this SE70. I've got it on a Mark of the Unicorn MIDI timepiece on channel 5, and I'm just going to go and pull that now. As you can see, it's pulling it. There is nothing showing on this SE70. The MIDI timepiece is showing traffic, but the SE70 itself is showing nothing. You wouldn't actually know that this is actually transmitting, and you can see. Now, this is a lot less successful on bringing over the names than the other SE70, and I'm not sure why, because MidiQuest captured almost all of the names on the other SE70, but on this SE70, not so much. Now, one thing I'll show you is that if we click on 0, you'll see that the SE70 has changed to patch number 1. And that's got heavy metal. It doesn't say heavy metal here, however, so what we're going to do is we're going to right mouse click, simply go to rename, and heavy metal. Now, what I would suggest you do is you copy that, because when you hit OK, it's just going to go blank. So you just hit rename, paste. So when I say copy, that's Control C, you paste with Control V, and then it's going to stick. And it's the same when you go through. So if you click on number 1, the SE70 should have changed to patch number 2, which it has, and you'll see that's called Deep Chorus. So we're just going to rename that Deep Chorus. Now, this is a worst case scenario in that the MIDI messages have contained largely junk in the name of patch names. So I'm just going to do the copy again. You'll see it goes blank. I'm not sure why it does that, but this is my workaround. And you can see here, bell guitar is there as a patch name. Right, now bell guitar is actually the 3rd. So if we scroll up here, do we see metal guitar for this patch, and that is a patch there? It's not showing the name at all. It's just got a couple of D's. And then the first one we get is this next one, this next patch. There's patch 1, patch 2, patch 3 is bell guitar here right at the end. There's nothing else. And if we go to the next one after bell guitar, you can see there's just a couple of, there's no name there. And that you got 3 Ds in fact. So there's bell guitar, and there's the 3 Ds, D, 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 D. So that is actually the SE70 sending out those Ds. And if we look at the next one, which has got these weird characters, number 4, after the D, D, Ds, there's a whole bunch of, there's this D7. Now, D7 may add up to being this string here, But either way, it's not very helpful. So the other item I just want to show you is if we were to go here to, say, deep chorus, right? And it's now changed it to the deep chorus patch. Whoops. Let's go back. If you go here to edit and into the settings, this is where you get to put a longer name in and also put in the tags. Now I showed you the tags in that last video, but on this video I just want to show you, for this situation I just want to show you that you can alter what appears in these tags. And how you do that is you go to Options, Update Tag List, and in this situation, if we want to add to a particular item a different type of, let's say, you've got a recorder in there, panpipes, piccolo, but let's say you wanted to add, you've got generic wind, but you've got English horn, but we haven't got French horn. So let's say we want to add in French horn. What we're going to do is we're just going to type in here French horn, add, and it puts it in alphabetical order. That's nice. Now that's all well and good, but for sound effects or effects, we might want to put something else in. I actually put in vocoder here before, but we might want to put some other names in. Now, unfortunately, when you click a patch, all you're doing is changing where you are in the SE70. You're not able to edit it. But what you can do is copy and paste these to other locations. It's still a really good way of backing up your SE70. You can name, as I showed you before, so you can add in different things here. Just make sure once you've done it, you hit apply, and that then applies that to that particular patch. So you've got those tags allocated. So I hope that helps you with a little bit more of an understanding of how you can utilize the tools within MidiQuest to support your use of the SE70. Do have a look at the MIDI monitor. It is hugely helpful. In particular, so you can see whether you're actually successfully transmitting and receiving from your SE70. So make use of that. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.